लोकांनी कितेंय म्हटलें मात तशें करूंक मेळना. सरकाराक एका सिस्टमींतल्यान वचचें पडटा. लोकांच्यो मागण्यो खूब आसता. पयलीं नोटिफाय करचें म्हणपी कांय लोक डिनोटिफाय करात म्हूण मागता. मात आतां हाचेर विचार जातलो आनी सरकार योग्य तो निर्णय घेतले म्हूण TCP मंत्री विजय सरदेसाय उलयला. ADEX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान सिनियर रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिक्स.
Time and again they have been saying only one thing: denotified, denotified, and
time and again they may say anything. We are going by the system. The same people who are saying denotify were saying notify now. Did you not hear the speech of the
MLA.
Santa Cruz MLA in the Legislative Assembly? It is there for the record. It is in the annals of recorded debates in the House. So he has demanded that. Now he is also vocal to demand rescind it. Amka PDA naka. So bare naka जाल्यार ताका process असता.
Okay.
So process आमी follow करता. And I can promise you that we will take concrete action. Whatever that is contentious is being discussed. After representations have been received from elected representatives, we will decide on those representations. First of all, you should appreciate that we are considering this representation seriously.
Correct.
I am walking the talk. What I had promised, I am doing. So nobody should have objection on that. But there is a way, there is a process of even coming out of the PDA. Suppose we want to remove your village from the PDA. There is a process to it. It can't be just because somebody is demanding like this. It has to be a process by which we should have enough grounds to say what we had taken decision, why it is wrong. See, we notified these areas as Greater Panjim PDA. Now even if you want to denotify it, we should have sound reasons for it. To be recorded in writing, it become part of an official document. Most progressive states in the country have guidelines for rainwater harvesting. 120 inches of rainfall is received on an average by the state of Goa. This water should not get wasted. It should be used for several purposes. Now we also are looking at, we are experiencing water shortage in many places. So we are trying to make guidelines in which rainwater harvesting becomes compulsory in certain big projects. These guidelines are also being framed by a committee within the town planning, which we will debate on the 10th. On 10th of April, we will discuss this and we will hopefully come out with guidelines for rainwater harvesting in the state.
Would it be for each and every new project or certain projects which are there?
For each and every new project. It may be for big projects.
Big projects.
It may be on certain locations where rainwater harvesting is more possible. It may also be for each project, depending upon some models like Diu. The Director of Agriculture gave an example of Diu, where rainwater harvesting is compulsory. So we are studying various models. But as an opposition MLA, I was always in the forefront of demanding that rainwater harvesting guidelines be there. Guidelines are in place from the Water Resource Department, but they are not being followed. So we are trying to make this compulsory through the town planning.